Hi everyone, I'm Oleksii Ponomar, a digital marketing specialist with experience since 2010. I set up Google Ads and Facebook advertising, work with SEO and SMM, teach and provide consultations. In this video, I will briefly and honestly answer one question. Is Google Ads worth trying if you have a small business and what should you accept? What Google Ads is and how it works. Google Ads is contextual advertising that shows your website in Google based on keywords. For example, someone searches coffee machine repair London, and they immediately see your ad at the top. You pay only pay click, meaning only when someone actually visits your site. Google Ads is a fast way to start getting clients within the first few days. But remember, the campaign must be set up correctly because mistakes can waste your budget. Benefits of Google Ads for small business. You get results quickly, launch the campaign, and you start getting clicks, calls, and requests. You control your budget. You can begin with just a few euros a day. It's flexible, need more clients, increase the budget, need a pause, just stop the ads. You can even test a niche or offer without building a big website. I have worked with many small business from workshops to salons, and Google Ads often gave them their first clients. What to pay attention to before starting? Don't send traffic to a basic homepage. Create a proper landing page instead. Always track calls and requests without analytics. You won't know what works. And if you are not confident doing it yourself, better ask a specialist. Setting up buttons in the account is easy, but setting them up correctly is a completely different story. And adding Google Ads is a great starting point for small businesses. But you should not launch it bluntly. Prepare your website, analyze demand, think about your unique offering, and the ads will work for you. If you need a consultation or campaign setup, write in the comments of or visit my profile. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos with practical tips. See you soon.